Today, I'll be explaining how to use a dishwasher in only 4 simple steps. To start off, you're going to rinse any excess food off of your dishes. After this, you're going to open your dishwasher, slide open the tray of your choice, and place your dirty dish into the tray. Once you've loaded your dishes, you're going to insert a pod into the dishwasher, and this will be used as dish soap. Once this is all ready, you're going to close your dishwasher, select the cycle, and start it. Once your dishwasher is started, you're going to wait patiently as your dishes are washed. Once the dishwasher goes off and it's all clean, you can open it and enjoy clean dishes. I'm Brittan Smith from Chief TV, and this is how to use a dishwasher.